Worried about Mac viruses or malware? You are not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to use a free Mac antivirus to scan and remove Mac viruses and malware, plus a link to a Mac Firewall tutorial that helps block hidden outgoing connections and protect your data. To start, open the App Store, search for Intego and press Enter. Then click Get. After the installation is complete, open your Applications folder and double-click Intego VirusBarrier to launch the app. Next, click Continue. If you use a Firewall app, you have to allow outgoing connections. If you don't use a firewall, just click Continue. In the following steps, select Maximum Protection. Check the box for Macintosh hard disk, click Continue, then click Finish. Your virus scanner is now ready to scan your hard disk or SSD. Click Start Scan. Make sure Macintosh hard disk is selected and click Scan. Intego VirusBarrier will scan your files for viruses, malware, and other potential threats. The scanning time varies depending on how many files are stored on your Mac's hard drive or SSD. You might be wondering if your Mac already has built-in security protections like Xprotect and Gatekeeper. Do you still need a virus and malware scanner? No security system can guarantee it will detect every threat. That's why having another way to scan your Mac for viruses and malware can provide extra protection. Once the scan is complete and no threats are detected, click on Options to switch from Maximum Protection to Essential Protection. Next, click Allow for Library, Applications, and User folder. Then click OK. This option automatically scans your Mac daily to help keep it protected. It takes only a few minutes, so you can keep your Mac protected without running a full scan every time. For a manual malware scan, you can drag individual files or folders into the VirusBarrier window, especially when you download something from the internet. Drag it into this window to scan it. Alternatively, click Start Scan to select files or folders anywhere on your Mac that you want to check for viruses or malware. Next, click Settings to configure VirusBarrier according to your preferences. If you would like to help improve Intego products, you can enable this option. You can also exclude specific files and folders from future scans. Simply drag them into this window or click the plus button. Select the files or folders you want to exclude and click Trust. To remove an item from the list, select it and click the minus button. If Intego VirusBarrier finds malware or a virus, you will see a warning, and it will automatically place it in the quarantine zone to protect your Mac from infection. Later, you can decide whether the file is safe or has to be deleted. To further enhance your Mac's security and privacy, I highly recommend installing a free firewall like FireWally or Lulu to block hidden outgoing connections. Luckily, both of these security tools are free too. Watch them at the end of this video or access the links in the description box by clicking on More below this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like. For more Mac tips, tutorials, and free Mac apps, click my profile picture and subscribe. Thanks for watching.